So I wanted to show you guys the install I did on my truck. I built a platform that would go in the cab of my truck. It's similar, if you know what like a Goose Gear, one of their seat delete platforms is, kind of that idea, but I did it myself. They don't really make anything for my truck, and I didn't want to have to delete the seats either. I don't have video of the entire process or anything like that. All in all, I was under $100 for the entire project, so that was a win in my book. And Coda has a ton more room in the back, and that was really the benefit there. So this is the platform that I built. You can see the braces that I did there. I also painted it a nice pale sage color, but it's kind of dirty right now. I just kind of wanted to show you overall the finish. It's pretty simple. I used plywood, and then I put some brackets here just to secure it down. I'm gonna add another bracket here and on the other side, but this way Coda has so much more room back here, plus I get all this extra space for storage underneath. So look at that texture. The other thing I want to mention is I did do the 60-40 split just because I want to be able to use these seats. Actually, the shovel doesn't work there. So these can come down, and I could even have this piece removed and still have seating over there. Or, I mean, you can sit, and these seats will work just fine with this platform in place. So that was kind of my goal behind that.